fresh lemon.
Hi everyone. I've got butterscotch here with me today.
And add ice.
Butterscotch is a good kitty, aren't you? And the TV is too loud, so I'm going to turn that off, the sound, and focus on butterscotch. Right? Oh, and now Ma's here doesn't like when I give attention to butterscotch, and butterscotch don't like when I give attention to Ma's, so it's a battle between the two of them, right? Ma's don't like butterscotch don't like Ma's. Ma's is my Great Pyrenees here, who will not back up. Butterscotch cannot stand it. He even took his paw and what do you call it? Batted it. Anyway, so I'm gonna have to get off here for right now because I'm getting some texts coming in from my husband, and there's a missing child from Ohio found in Puerto Rico, so I want to read about that. So I'll be back with another video. Okay, bye-bye, everybody.